All right, thanks for staying with us here on Valley News Live. A look at your Tuesday weather showing gray skies continue here in the FM area. In fact, some low clouds out there, and that north wind feels cool, even though temperatures well above average for this time of the year. Still 34, and that's pretty much the temperature we've been hovering out throughout our Tuesday. North wind at 10 miles per hour, feels like 26, so a little wind chilly out there with Moorhead reporting 32 out at the airport there. Here is a look at Grand Forks right now, 30, feels like 22. Wind also near 10 miles per hour. Relative humidity at 72%. It's cloudy there as well. The 30s spread from the southern Red River Valley and Grand Forks all the way down towards Aberdeen, where we have 37 degrees. It's also 30 through Lakes Country, from Detroit Lakes down to Fergus Falls, all the way out to Wadena. Bemidji, a respectable 29 degrees. And after some fresh snow in the Roseau area, you have 27. The snowflakes that dumped the 6 inches or so of snow now off toward Duluth. Take a look at some of these snowfall reports. Baudette, Warroad out towards Bemidji, Salal, and even Kitson County near Lancaster reporting 1 to 6.5 inches of snowfall in between Roseau and Warroad. Here is a look, though, at some clearing taking place to the north and out to the west. A lot of sun-filled skies throughout the afternoon today. As we take you a little bit closer, this clearing is slowly progressing southward and also progressing through the James River Valley. But here in Grand Forks and Fargo, pretty socked in with those lower clouds across the area. You may have heard about the violent weather through the Gulf Coast states. A deadly tornado, we're sad to report tonight, a tornado hit a trailer home and caused a fatality in parts of Louisiana. These are spreading through Mississippi now on into Alabama, where tornado watches are expected to continue, and the danger will really extend into the overnight hours. That's a scary thing. For us, we'll have quieter weather, north winds continuing, and if you're out and about this evening, we'll see some breaks in the clouds here and there, especially out to the west and northwest Minnesota. And we're talking about temperatures slipping into the teens as we head to bed. Overnight, though, a stabilization of temperatures, really, and I do think we'll have an area or areas of patchy fog, frost again across the valley. I think temperatures in the areas of the fresh fallen snow not far from Roseau and Warroad will be down around 9 degrees to start your day. So a chilly start. Look at the wind direction, slipping out of the south. That's usually a good sign for temperatures. So a chilly start to your day, scraping the windows and the frost off the car, so give yourself time there. Could be some slippery roads, but not expecting overnight snowfall. Through midday, temperatures rising. South winds only 5 to 10 miles per hour. And take a look at your afternoon. Down in the southern counties, once again, a day in the mid-30s to around 40 degrees. Up north, along Highway 2 and points north, will be anywhere from 34 in Grand Forks to around 30 in Roseau, Baudette, Warroad, as well as Langdon. But look at this. After school gets out, we'll have a chance for some hit and miss flurries of snow passing from eastern North Dakota into western Minnesota. Once again, a cloudy and gray close to the day. I don't think we'll have significant accumulations throughout most of the area out there. Most of us will see less than 1/2 of an inch. 27 at the bus stop in the morning at Fargo. 34 in the afternoon. Wind kind of shifty. It becomes northerly again as we close out our day. Southeast North Dakota, mid-30s to around 40 degrees with a chance of a flurry in the afternoon. Cloudy skies and spotty flurries late in the evening throughout Lakes Country and the Northland, with temperatures from the upper 20s to low 30s. A lot of mid-30s and low 30s as well in northeast North Dakota. And thank you very much, Nick, for this sensational sunset photo. Look at that lonesome tree. It needs some leaves. Let's take a look here at the planning forecast. As we look at Thursday, it'll be cooler with those north winds returning, 28 breezy degrees. But how about payoff on Friday? Close to work week, 40 degrees. Better enjoy it. Single-digit readings below zero for some of us into next week.
Kind of still on that roller coaster, aren't we?
Yeah, we are.
Yeah.
But I like the payoff.
Yeah.
Yes.
I do too.
Thanks. Bison men's basketball facing a tough road test to end the regular season. Alex Egan is here with the details.
Up next, the story within the story, as a new movie release has ties to a former University of North Dakota athlete.